12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Our next lot is lot 291. It's a Haas VF-2D, 20 horsepower, 10,000 RPM, 1,000 inch per minute, nice and quick. We'll go ahead and hit cycle start, let you see the machine in action. Lot 291, Haas VF-2D. Hopefully this is the right Haas you're looking for. If not, make sure to look at our entire auction. There's a lot of Haas machines available. Good luck. Hope you get a great deal.
95, you're at 9, don't raise your bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95, got it. Now 10,000, 10 to the mid, now 10,000, give me 10. Now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10,5 to the mid, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10,5 to the mid.